So Tom, what do you know about what we're doing today?
Oh, we starting? We on?
Maybe.
Giddy up. I know we're making the crack pie.
Yeah.
Don't know what it is. All right, fan forced.
What's that mean? Let's get cracking. What do you got to do first? Hey!
All right, too loud. Fahrenheit, 350. Celsius, fan forced oven, 160. Good. If you don't have a food processor, you can fake it till you make it. Huh, actually says that. Let's get the ingredients out for the oat cookie. Half a cup of butter now. All right, what's that in grams? No. Yeah, I'm just gonna smush it in. So. It's not a problem.
Different microwave.
Do you have one? Interesting.
One instruction.
We need
to
one.
Microwave.
Piece of shit. I've got to figure this bad boy out. How you turn it off? You know what? Do you want to grab the other one, sir?
You turn it up, turn it.
All good. We'll get a new thing. I'm so excited about this, by the way. We got the sponsorship.
We wish.
We wish. Okay, pale attachment cream for 2 to 3 minutes until fluffy pale. Yeah, good. Part of me just wants to stick like my finger in there. This thing looks out of control. Nothing like baking to make you second guess yourself, eh? How's this like? What? Oh, fuck. Oh, no. Nah. Hang on. Tablespoon. How about this sentence, right? Pam spray and line a quarter sheet pan with parchment or a slip hat. I know about 3 of the words in that sentence.
4.
What's a slip hat?
What's a quarter sheet pan? Let's fuck all those other words off. Let's go. Let's go. Put baking paper down.
On what?
On a quarter sheet pan.
Oh, right. Sorry.
You idiot.
Of course.
I'll just go with this.
I think because we use salt and butter.
I'll just go with this, bro. That's right with me. I'll just go with this. And then it's just got to, I guess it's just got to cook until it's done.
Cool.
What a revelation. And that light just went off. Right. Filling for crack pie. To make filling in a microwave. Oh, fill it in a microwave. Unfortunately, Fee's living in 1972. Okay. All right, campfire boy. How are we going to melt this butter?
On the stove.
All right, cool.
In a little pot.
Yeah, if you find yourself without a microwave, you're stuck in the past. Fucking microwave. Fucking 2018. Gently melt the butter. Didn't do it gently. Fucking flame. Then microwave. That's probably a little bit under, but that's all right.
Is it?
Yeah. 1 cup of light brown sugar. Now this raises a good question.
Yes.
What is milk powder? It's like adult formula? Is it just for cooking or do people...
You can't just add water and it's a milk substitute.
Is that quite like a psychotic thing to do though? Want a glass of milk? Sure.
How strong do you want your milk?
Okay.
Yes. Are you afraid to get your fingers moist?
Yeah, you talking about when we drop it in your fingers?
Might be.
This is fine, look. Yolk.
Cool. Cool, man.
How about that, man?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, 2. We're gonna speed this up for sure. Get off, big clumpy dickhead. Cream's good, man.
Double cream's twice as good.
Right. Butter's going in. God damn, that looks good, man. Nah, more good.
Oh,
Yolks.
very nicely yolked.
Be careful not to aerate the mixture.
Mm.
All right, let's dump these bitches in there. Ready?
Eggs don't flop.
Eggs.
Eggs don't flop, bro. That looks nice.
Kangaroo pose.
Oh yeah.
Alright. Let's not use any of that. Use the flame. Microwave, gently melt your butter. Oh, I'll just do it on the flame. Let's do it on the flame. Is that a microwave? No, that's an oven.
It's an old school microwave.
In a way, microwaves are pretty old school, kind of. It's good.
Don't be adding anything to that butter, Tom.
It's good butter.
Just heat the butter.
Let it cool until it's not hot. Oh.
Oh, Chris, look at that. Do you wanna?
Matabicky.
Yeah.
Oh, that looks amazing.
Taste.
I think
Mate,
it's
I
a taste.
think
I
you
wanna-
should try it because then
Yeah.
you understand flames.
How is it?
It's good.
How?
It's like an oat kind of cookie. It's like an oat cookie. Ah, this is a piece of shit, huh?
Let's try it, dude.
This is when on those cooking shows I start talking about some experience they had. When I was cooking with my mother in 1995, this was a favourite of my father's, and he grew up by the coast and had brothers, and they always used to make cookies on a Sunday. It's a nice bond that we share. My grandmother used to always break things down with her hands, and I like breaking things down with my hands, and that's something that we share. We should do, like in those cooking shows, how they have the music, when it's like something that takes a little bit of time. So we go... But then we choose that audio over the top. Bring, 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 welcome back. So it's not all of it at one time, it's enough until it's into a fucking...
Wet sand.
Wet sand. No, it's wet sand.
That is something we share.
So, can you do me a
Do you
favour?
want me to melt some more butter?
Yes, please.
So maybe only melt half of it so the other stuff melts in and then it'll still be warm.
Yeah.
Or like not hot.
And while we're giving you really obvious advice, try and pay your bills before they're overdue because they can actually charge you more.
There you go.
All right. And stop. Very good. No. Don't overstay your welcome, so. Yeah, is that hot to touch?
A little bit.
Okay, just wait a bit. So that looks like a ball to me.
You fucked this butter up.
Actually, we do actually.
That's definitely not 10 inches, right?
Well, that one's 9.5, the glass one.
Let's see.
That glass tin.
3 times.
Oh, hang on. I don't know, I just think we should do what the recipe says. I don't know. Just think we should do what the recipe says. Oh, fuck me, Fionn. This is fucking working, bro. It seems like it's real. Do you want to do those ones?
Okay.
Baking with friends is better every day. Baking the bread. Baking every day. Baking the bread. Total an hour and a half to make this.
Excuse me?
Oh, goddamn.
3/4 of the way up the...
Woo! This is good, man. This is going to taste real good. Like I think it might not be necessarily pretty or like as thick or whatever, but
Dude, that was so pretty.
we'll bake for 20 minutes. During this time, the crack pie will still be very jiggly, but should become golden brown on top. Know your oven. Which corners? Shut up.
Excuse me? What's that?
What's happening with this?
Yes.
I'm gonna go grab the oven. Ooh. Yum. Yum. Who's licking this?
Hang on.
Ready, Zach? Do you want to ask what you
Can I-
read? Yeah.
Oh, this is pretty interesting. Gently, so after 20 minutes, got this bullshit. Gently take the half-sheet pan of cracked pies out of the oven. You can speed up the cooking Cool. So they're a cold pie.
That can even drunk.
Have you tried this?
How good is it? That good?
So if it's just, it's still just egg yolks.
Instead of...
Yep.
I'm just eating egg yolks.
Well, I think they're not going to be ready for a while still, so. Oh yeah, sick. Mascot.
This will bring a whole new
Mascot
audience.
Mascot kitty.
Way more interesting.
Pull this bad bitch out. Ooh, what's leaking here? Look, that's still a bit jiggly, I reckon. Just a little bit longer, man. Just a little bit longer. It's gonna be gooey.
Good.
It's gonna be gooey. I'm crab. Alright, let's do it.
Beyond shipping. How can you do it? Did I do you have a groin injury?
It's because of soccer.
To put it on,
Sniff my pie.
Are you fucking...
we're gonna need plates to serve our little.
Yeah.
Alright. And we do a nice little sign off like, crack, motherfucker.
Can I get that again?
No. Definitely fucked it a bit.
It looks cracky.
Is that what it's supposed to look like?
I have no idea.
I think it's gonna be real nice actually.
I think so.
It's really yummy. God damn, it's really
Are
yummy.
we creamy?
Oh wait, did you just taste it without me knowing?
No.
You fuck off.
Good work.
I know why it's called cracked pie.
God damn.
I didn't realise this was the crack pie.
And we're about to go and watch the episode right now on Netflix.
Well done.
You did. You
Well
did
done,
good.
lady.
It only took you all day, didn't it?
Yeah, a little bit more general, a little bit more. Real yummy.
I think that's what it's meant to be.
Thanks for watching Fake It Till You Bake It. That was the second one. Third one's coming soon.
Kangaroo. Kangaroo.
Money. And as Hendrik says, something that we share.